In Organon of Medicine, Samuel Hahnemann explains in Aphorism from 71 to 104 the classification and nature of the disease. In this section, Hahnemann helps physicians to understand the different types of diseases and how they develop in the human body. In Aphorism 71, two main classes of diseases. Hahnemann divides the disease into two main categories. First, acute diseases, then chronic diseases. This classification helps the physician to understand the nature and duration and the treatment approach for each type of the disease. Now we will see from Aphorism 72 to 80. He mentions about acute diseases. Acute diseases are those that appear suddenly and run a short course. They usually have a rapid onset and quick progression, and they may end either in recovery or death within a short time. For example, which includes fever, infection, or sudden inflammatory conditions. Acute diseases may arise from external cause such as injury, exposure to cold, or infection. Then epidemic influences affecting many people at the same time. Then in Aphorism 81 to 82, nature of chronic diseases. The chronic diseases are long-lasting and deep-seated illnesses that develop slowly and persist for a long time if left untreated. They gradually weaken the body and often worsens over the time period. Then Aphorism 83 to 104, where he mentions about case taking and study of the disease. In this section, Hahnemann describes the method of case taking, which is essential for understanding the patient's disease. The physician must carefully observe and record. What he should record? Mental and emotional symptoms, then physical symptoms, then modalities, what makes the symptom better or worse, then personal habits, lifestyle, and the past history. A detailed case study helps the physician to identify the totality of symptoms, which is the key to selecting the correct homeopathic remedy. Now we'll see the concluding part. Thus, Aphorism 71 to 104, where he explains the classification of the disease and the importance of detailed case taking by distinguishing between acute and chronic diseases and carefully studying the patient's symptoms. The homeopathic physician can understand the disease more clearly and prescribe the most appropriate remedy for true healing. Thank you.